1992 Topps Cello Pack. We're going to pull a Cello Pack out of the box. And let's pull this one here. Seems like a good one. I believe I got that box from McNulty Sports Cards. I don't quite remember. But let's see what we can find in it. 34 cards in this Cello Pack. We haven't done the 92 box yet, or in a while. So I figure let's get into it. All right, we start with Major League Draft pick card of Cliff Floyd. Beautiful cards. There's the backs of them there. Or one version of the back. We've got Dog Piat. And there's the second version showing the stadium that they play at, that their home team is from. Todd Froworth. Vaughn Hayes. Looks like we've got Hubie Brooks. Major League Draft pick of Jimmy Gonzalez. Kyle Abbott. American League All-Star of Wade Boggs. Prayers go out to him as he just recently announced he's cancer-free. Jeff Reardon, Kevin Apier, outfielders top prospects of Cesar Hernandez, Steve Hosey, Dan Peltier, and Jeff McNeely. And looks like we've got... yeah, we're flipping. We've got Ivan Calderon, Pat Combs, Scott Servais, Chris Nabholz, manager of the Minnesota Twins, Tom Kelly, Chris Gwynn, Jack Morris, Paul Assenmacher, Rod Nichols, Eddie Taubensee, Craig Wilson. There is our Match the Stats game. Oh, nice. We got Hojo, Howard Johnson. We'll take that one. Card 590. Luis Rivera. Willie Banks, John Smoltz, that's awesome, great pitcher he was. Dave Bergman, Bob Scanlon, Kevin Reamer, Lenny Harris, Juan Bell, Andres Galarraga. Phenomenal player Andres was. Wade Taylor, and finally Jeff Hamilton. All right, not bad. What'd we get? Well, we got Hojo. Loving that. Got John Smoltz. Phenomenal pitcher. We've got Andres Galarraga. And Wade Boggs' All-Star. Very good. 1992 Topps 34 card Cello Pack from the box. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching.